Wanna know how to unblock or unblacklist your player in Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your Mobile Legends application, and once you've done that, on the right side you can see your friends icon. That should be right under your friend list right here. So just simply select it, and once I've done that, on the down left side, as you can see right here, there is a small blacklist icon. So simply select blacklist. And once you're under blacklist, right here you can see the name we had just blacklisted. So if you want to unblock them or remove from blacklist, just simply select this trash icon right here and then select OK. And once that is done, there you have it. New person has been removed from blacklist. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.